In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lower your ping or fix lag in Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 1. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all of the steps. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the link in the description and download No Ping. Once you open this website, click on Install No Ping, wait for it to finish downloading. And once it's done downloading, click on nopingsetup.exe, click on yes, click on next, accept the terms, next, install, and wait for it to finish installing. Once it's done installing, just click on finish, and click on no, you'll restart your PC later. Now go ahead and open up NoPing, so just double click on it, click on yes, and wait for it to load. This is a pretty useful application that basically lowers your ping and lets you choose from servers around the world and lowers your ping in any game, Fortnite, Apex Legends, League of Legends, etc. And I think that you should try it out. Once it's installed, just click on allow access and click on register now to create an account, or if you already have one, then just log in. And once you're logged in, click on search for a game and type Fortnite. Click on Fortnite and click on select the server. Now what you want to do is click where it says premium servers and choose other servers from the list. Now find the country that is the nearest to you, or maybe your own country. So my country isn't on this list, but Germany is the closest one to it, so I'm gonna click on Germany. And as you can see, there are 5 servers in Germany: Frankfurt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you want to do now is just click on refresh and the ping will load up. So as you can see, I get 237 ms in Melbourne, 181 ms in Beijing, in France 42 ms, and I get 39 ms in Frankfurt 2. So as you can see, the Frankfurt 2 server is the closest one to me, so just click on the server that is the closest to you and which gets the lowest ms. And once you click on it, click on optimize this game. Sometimes you have to have Fortnite opened in order for the ping to appear. So if this doesn't show up, if it's all zeros, then just open up Fortnite and click on the refresh button again. Once the game has been optimized, what you want to do is just minimize no ping and play Fortnite. And now let's move on to the second step. And that is to click on the search bar and type Registry Editor and open it. Click on yes. Now click on the arrow next to HK local machine. Click on the arrow next to software. Click on the arrow next to Microsoft. Click on the arrow next to Windows NT, which should be somewhere around the bottom. Click on the arrow next to current version. Now find multimedia and click on the arrow next to it. Click on system profile. And now you should see network throttling somewhere in here. What you want to do is just double click on it. And now delete the value data and type 8 Fs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you type them, click on OK. Now go back to the local machine folder. Open it. Open the system folder. So click on the arrow next to it. Click on the arrow next to current control set. Click on the arrow next to services. Click on the arrow next to TCP IP. Click on the arrow next to parameters. And now click on the arrow next to interfaces. As you see, there are lots of folders in here, and what you want to do is just open the one with the most amount of files. So it should be this one. Yeah, it's this one. Let me just check. Okay, so there it is. This is the folder that has the most files on it. And now what you want to do is right click somewhere in it, click on new, and click on dword 32-bit value. And now type TCP with capital letters, ACK, and frequency. F should be a capital letter. Once you're done, click on enter. And now double click on the new keyword that you just created, TCP frequency, and set the value data to 1. Once you're done, click on OK. And now right click somewhere in the folder again, click on new and click on dword 32-bit value. And name this one TCP no delay. TCP N and D should be capital letters. Once you're done, click on enter, double click on TCP no delay and set the value data to 1. Click on OK. Now go back to the local machine folder. So scroll to the top. OK, click on the arrow next to it. Click on the arrow next to software. Click on the arrow next to Microsoft. And now find the MSMQ folder. So there it is. If you don't have this folder, then what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the Microsoft folder that you've just expanded. Once you click on it, right click on it, click on new and select key. Now, once you've created a new key, just right click on it, click on rename and type MSMQ. I already have this folder, so I'm not gonna do that and I'm gonna delete this new key, but if you don't have the MSMQ folder, then what you want to do is just create a new one. Once you've created one, or once you found the MSMQ folder, just go ahead and click on it. OK. Now right click somewhere in it, click on new, click on dword 32-bit value and rename it to TCP no delay. Click on enter and now double click on it and set the value data to 1 and click on OK. Now right click on MSMQ and click on expand. As you can see, there is a parameters folder, but if you've created the MSMQ folder, if you didn't have it, then you won't see a parameters folder, and what you want to do is just create a new one, which you can do by right clicking on MSMQ, click on new, click on key and rename it to parameters. If you have this folder, then just click on it and right click somewhere in it, click on new, click on dword 32-bit value and rename the new key TCP no delay. Click on enter and now set it to 1. Once you're done, click on OK and you can now close the registry editor. The next step is to click on the search bar and type CMD, right click on it, click on run as administrator and click on yes. Now what you want to do is type net sh int ip reset.txt and click on enter. Now type net sh winsock reset and click on enter again and type net sh adv firewall reset and click on enter again. Once you're done, you can close the command prompt. And the last step of this video is to right click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Now click on Change Adapter Options, right click on Wi-Fi, click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Now check the use the following DNS server addresses and type 8888 in the preferred DNS server and 8844 in the alternate DNS server. Once you're done, just click on OK and you can now close the network connections and the settings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.